Hi, this is Eric with Auto Advantage in Escondido, California, with a short walk around video of our 2014 Chevrolet 2500. So let's get started. It's got the 6-liter Vortec, 4 high and 4 low for 4-wheel drive. It is the LTZ, so it does have heated and cooled seats. Power adjustable pedals, rear parking sonar. We installed an aftermarket head unit, so it does have a backup camera, Bluetooth and audio controls, obviously cruise control. This also does have GPS, Apple Carplay, and Android audio as well, so it should connect to any of your phones no matter which one you use. Here's the Carfax. Wanted to point out a few things. 24 service records, a good service history. Primarily vehicle was in Texas and Arizona before coming to California. Had 136,000 miles. The torque converter was replaced and a transmission fluid down, which is really important. If you're looking at an older, higher mileage vehicle like this, you want to see proof of transmission rebuild and service. At 141,000 miles, differential and transfer case was also serviced, also really important. And at 147,000 miles, the front and rear shocks and struts were replaced. So some important service you want to see on a vehicle this age. And here's a reproduction of the original window sticker. So this has a lot of upgrades on it. The Z71 suspension package, the 20-inch forged polished aluminum wheels, that was an $850 option. It's got the upgraded audio system, which is in this one's a Bose system. Like I said, heated and cooled front seats, power adjustable pedals. It's got side airbags, which is a $395 option. And like I mentioned, the rear parking assist and rear vision camera. So I'll walk around the exterior of the truck. It does have running boards, newer tires, lots of tread still on them. Looks like Nito is the brand. Extreme Terrain is the model. Got Bilstein shocks, front and rear. 6-liter Vortec, which is one of the more reliable V8 engine options you can get. A lot more reliable than the Chevy 5.3 or any of those other small block V8s that have active fuel management like the Hemi. You want to stay away from those. They have a lot of issues with the top end. So this engine's definitely the more reliable one, and it runs on E85 ethanol, which at the time of this video is only about $2.75 a gallon, so a lot more affordable. Aftermarket front grille, cosmetically, there's some small touch-up was previously applied here. You've got some small paint chips on the front of the hood as expected for a 12-year-old truck, but overall still pretty clean. Does have the large towing mirrors. Some small scratches around here. Z71 package. Got the tow package with trailer hookups. It's got the spray-in bed liner with tie downs. and a voltage outlet. in the bed. There's the rear Bilstein shocks. So overall, pretty clean truck. Rear seats are still in good shape. Headliner's in good shape. Got a rear 12-volt outlet in the back. Really only the wear on the interior on the seats. Small tear here, some minor wear here, and a small crack on the center armrest. Like all the GM products of this body style, you do have a couple cracks in the dash, but easiest thing is just get a dash cover, and that'll usually slow the cracks down. Front passenger seats also in good shape. So give us a call or text us at 760-280-7648, or you can visit us at ibuycleancars.com. Look forward to hearing from you.